TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender setup for home network installation. Welcome back to our Tech Network channel. Join us as we walk you through TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender setup, which is easy, simplified and user-friendly, even for non-tech people. We'll demonstrate you how to get it done whether you're using your computer or your phone, no tech expertise required. Initiate the process by powering on the extender within the range of the host router. Connect your internet device, phone/PC, to TP-Link Extender's Wi-Fi network. Just go into the Wi-Fi settings and select TP-Link_Extender network name. After connection, go into the browser and search the default IP address 192.168.0.254 to open the login page of TP-Link's web interface. Here, enter the new password and confirm it to create the login password, and then click Login. On the next page, you can select router signals which you want to extend, select the host router, and enter its password to connect. Click Continue and set new Wi-Fi name and password for respective channels, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Save changes, and you will be prompted to the next page, where relocate instructions will guide you to place the extender optimally. Relocate TP-Link Extender as guided, and now you can connect your devices with the new extended network. Enjoy wide Wi-Fi coverage area in your home. Hope you were able to configure the device without any hitches. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Reach out to us if you still find it complicated to install TP-Link Extender. Use comment box to share connectivity errors or login issues with us. Our experts would be happy to assist you. Thank you.